Hey everyone, Gil Gray Man Prepping. A little got a late start on it this morning. Was trying to catch up with the backlog and the problems caused by yesterday's internet outage. So first off on that, this afternoon or this evening we'll do the Tactical Tuesday on Wednesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it at the same time tonight. But yeah, the railroad crew working over on Highway 91, the Yellowstone Highway, took out the trunk line for the fiber internet. And so that was about 10 o'clock, at least that I noticed it in the morning. And it wasn't until well after 7 p.m. last night, Mountain Time, that it was repaired. Maybe even after 8 o'clock. I just can't remember right now. It was a bad day yesterday. Anyway, so I've been in there trying to get stuff fixed up and get caught up on some of the your prep for today's and go ahead and get on the exercising here. All right, about a half hour. Did 3/4 of a mile on the treadmill. I did a mile and a quarter on the exercise bike, and I did 150 calories on the Gazelle. I'm pooped. I'll do the weight bench later on today. All right. So just a reminder, this evening we'll do the Tactical Tuesdays rescheduling from yesterday's internet outage. And the topic is customizing your first aid kits to meet your family's needs. And get out there and exercise, get in better shape, and learn a new skill every month.